Hello there, this is the Most Hub, and today we have a video for our fellow yacht enthusiasts. Welcome aboard this journey through the world of the most luxurious and expensive yachts. Get ready to be wowed by their impressive features, stunning designs, and glamorous interiors. Let's start with creme de la creme, the Eclipse. With a staggering price tag of $1.5 billion, this yacht is the epitome of luxury. It spans over 500 feet in length and features 2 helipads, a swimming pool, a sauna, and even a movie theater. Can you imagine catching a movie while cruising through the open sea? The Eclipse is owned by Roman Abramovich, a Russian billionaire who's known for his love for luxury and extravagant purchases. This mega yacht was built by Blohm & Voss in Germany and was launched in 2010. The interior of the yacht was designed by Terence Tisdale, who's a well-known designer in the yachting industry. The Eclipse is also equipped with an advanced security system, which includes a missile defense system, a submarine, and bulletproof glass. It's no wonder that this yacht is a favorite among the world's wealthiest people who value their safety and security above all else. Next up is the elegant History Supreme, which is worth a jaw-dropping $4.5 billion. This masterpiece is crafted from solid gold and platinum and even has a statue made from genuine Tyrannosaurus Rex bones. Yes, you heard that correct, a T-Rex. Can you imagine the stories you could tell about this yacht at your next party? The History Supreme was built by Stuart Hughes, who is a British designer known for creating luxury products using precious metals and gems. The yacht took over 3 years to build and was commissioned by an anonymous Malaysian businessman. The yacht's design was inspired by ancient Egyptian civilization, and the solid gold hull and platinum accents are meant to evoke the opulence and grandeur of that era. The History Supreme is also equipped with a variety of high-tech features, including a speedboat, a mini submarine, and a helicopter pad. With its exquisite design and unparalleled luxury, this yacht is truly one of a kind. Now, if you're looking for something a little more modern, the Azzam might be more your style. At a price tag of $600 million, it's one of the largest and the fastest yachts in the world. With a sleek design and sophisticated features, this yacht is fit for a king. And who wouldn't want to feel like royalty while sailing the open seas? The owner of the Azzam is none other than the Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. Yes, the President of the United Arab Emirates and the Emir of Abu Dhabi. The yacht was built by Lurisen in Germany and was launched in 2013. It measures over 590 feet in length and can reach up to a top speed of 30 knots. The interior of the Azzam was designed by French designer Christophe Leoni and features a variety of luxurious amenities, including a cinema, a spa, and a gym. The yacht also has a swimming pool and a helicopter pad, making it the perfect vessel for entertaining guests and exploring the open sea. So when talking about luxurious yachts, let's not forget about Streets of Monaco, which, like the name suggests, takes inspiration from the famous city-state. With a staggering price tag of $1.1 billion, in this yacht you may find replicas of the most iconic Monaco landmarks, such as the famous Monte Carlo Casino and Hotel de Paris. It even has a go-karting track on board. Can you imagine racing your friends around a yacht? Well, in this one you can. However, these yachts aren't just a symbol of wealth and luxury. They also have a significant impact on the environment. Many of these yachts consume a tremendous amount of fuel and produce harmful emissions. This has led to a growing concern among the environmentalists and policymakers about the impact of these vessels on our planet. In response, many yacht builders and owners have started to explore more sustainable options. For example, some yachts are now powered by hybrid engines that can switch between traditional diesel engines and electric motors. This significantly reduces the fuel consumption and emissions, making these vessels more environmentally friendly. Another trend in the industry is the use of alternative materials in yacht construction. Some yacht builders are now using eco-friendly materials such as bamboo, hemp, and recycled plastic to reduce their impact on the environment. These materials are not only sustainable but also incredibly durable. making them a great option for yacht construction. But it's not just the construction of these yachts that's changing. The way they are used is also evolving. Many yacht owners are now using these vessels for ecotourism, taking passengers on expeditions to remote and fragile ecosystems around the world. This not only provides a unique travel experience but also raises awareness about the importance of protecting our planet. Some of these yachts are also being used for scientific research. These vessels are equipped with state-of-the-art technology that allows scientists to study the ocean and its inhabitants in unprecedented detail. This research can help us better understand the impact of human activity on the marine environment and develop more effective conservation strategies. Despite these efforts, there's still so much work to be done to make the yacht industry more sustainable. It will require a more concentrated effort from yacht builders, owners, and policymakers to reduce the environmental impact of these vessels. But with the right approach, we can create a more sustainable future for the yacht industry. So next time you're dreaming of sailing on one of these luxurious yachts, remember the impact they can have on the environment. By supporting sustainable yacht building and operation practices, we can ensure that the future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty and the wonders of ocean. And who knows, perhaps one day we'll see a yacht that is not only the most luxurious and expensive in the world, but also the most sustainable. A vessel that represents the perfect balance between opulence and environmental responsibility. Until then, let's keep dreaming and working towards a more sustainable future. We hope you found this video to be informative and interesting. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know what topics you would like us to see covered in the next video.